right, so let's do another 90 seconds from today. So these are some trades on GBP USD today. And so again, wave. This is a wave strategy again. So we had an entry here, which is based on the 30. Yes, so let's see what that one was. It was actually an 89 EMA break. That one was, yes. So and we got filled in here, so that being a couple of hours. Okay, that was it here. That's it here because it was just about 5 pips. Yeah, so that was the breakdown there, and we got in pending order there, sell pending order, and that went all the way down there about 40 pips. But then as price went down, it went back up into the wave and gave us this reversal pattern here, this one here. So we got us a reversal pattern here, and we got in with the pending order again there and followed that to this point here, and I closed both trades. It's 7:30 on Friday night. I don't want to be in the market, and so that's why I'm out of those two, and that is my 90 seconds. All right, you want to know more about the 5TT Profit Club or the wave strategy, which we also teach in the 5TT Profit Club, then follow the link in the description, and you can learn more. All right, thank you very much. Cheers.